Which of the following animal has four-chambered stomach? A. Dolphin. B. Rat. C. Kangaroo. D. Cow. Your time starts now. Correct answer is option D. Cow. Ruminants are the animals, including herbivore mammals, that they have specialized stomachs for digestion of plant-based products. Sheep, buffalo, goats, and cows are ruminants. These animals have a very different digestive system than humans. Humans have a single main digesting unit called stomach, but ruminants have four compartments in their stomach. Which type of mirror is used by dentist? A. Convex. B. Concave. C. Plane. D. Two-way mirror. Your time starts now. Correct answer is option B. Concave. Concave type of mirrors are used by dentists. Which country launched the first plastic currency notes? A. Japan. B. China. C. Indonesia. D. Australia. Your time starts now. Correct answer is option D. Australia. Australia first launched the plastic currency notes. These are the plastic currency notes launched by Australia. How many eyes does a honeybee have? A. 3. B. 4. C. 5. D. 6. Your time starts now. Correct answer is option C. 5. Bees have 3 simple eyes and 2 compound eyes. Simple eyes present on top of its head. These simple eyes detect light. The compound eyes located on either side of its head, and they are made up of lots of tiny lenses that each piece helps to widen the image of what the bee can see. Study of fingerprints is known as A. Dactylography. B. Trichology. C. Dendrology. D. Phycology. Your time starts now. Correct answer is option A. Dactylography. Study of fingerprints is known as dactylography. Which metal wire is used in heater? A. Copper. B. Gold. C. Silver. D. Nichrome. Your time starts now. Correct answer is option D. Nichrome. Nichrome is a non-magnetic alloy of nickel and chromium. It is the most common resistance wire used for heating purposes. It is used in heaters because it has high resistivity and resistance to oxidation at high temperatures. Which of the following is known as Rice Bowl of India? A. Brahmaputra Delta. B. Bengal Delta. C. Krishna and Godavari Delta. D. Kaveri Delta. Your time starts now. Correct answer is option C. Krishna and Godavari Delta. Krishna and Godavari Delta region is known as Rice Bowl of India because it produces the highest quantity of rice in country. The main delta of the Krishna and Godavari rivers lies in Andhra Pradesh, where the production is maximum, and this state is also known as Rice Bowl State of India. Naidu Trophy is related to which game? A. Cricket. B. Chess. C. Football. D. Hockey. Your time starts now. Correct answer is option B. Chess. Naidu Trophy is related to chess. C.K. Naidu Trophy is related to cricket. What is the minimum educational qualification required to become an MLA? A. 10th. B. Intermediate. C. Degree. D. Not required. Your time starts now. Correct answer is option D, not required. There is no minimum educational qualification required to become an MLA. Which of the following food is poisonous to dogs? A. Carrots. B. Chocolates. C. Curd. D. Banana. Your time starts now. Correct answer is option B. Chocolates. Chocolate is toxic to dogs because it contains theobromine and to a lesser extent caffeine. Humans metabolize theobromine easily, but dogs don't. Dogs process theobromine and caffeine slowly, which allows these toxic compounds to build up in their systems and cause chocolate toxicity. These are some common foods toxic to dogs. If you like this video, share this video to your friends. For more interesting videos, subscribe my channel. Don't forget to click the bell icon. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.